Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. So, a couple of days ago, FedEx called me and said, we have a package for you, but it's addressed to a P.O. box. We can't ship it there, so they brought it to my home address, and I assume this is it. I have no idea who was trying to ship to me through FedEx, but I guess we're about to find out. That's fine. It's not really that big of a deal. It's just funny. I just don't remember having a conversation with anybody. So anyways, whatever this is, I will try to link it right down below so you guys can check it out. It does help my channel when you use those links, but that's entirely up to you. Thanks so much to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right. Let's see what the heck is in this package. Now, it could be... This looks pretty professionally taped up. There's a good chance that this is from a retailer. Is it? Ah, it is. Oh, boy. Yes. Yes! This is going to be a good one. Oh, wonderful. I wonder how I made the thumbnail look. Anytime... Oh, man, that's great. So anytime I don't get too many opportunities to talk about Spyderco knives, whether they're, new or they're sprint runs, right? This is obviously a GPK exclusive, a GP Knives exclusive. So they may not be available yet when you check out this video, but still check out the links in the description so you know what's going on. I'll try to put information either on screen or in the description about when these are going to drop. Yeah, every time I get a Spyderco, I just make the thumbnail the box, because man, do you guys love to click on pictures of Spyderco boxes. Holy crap, there is a significant difference in the number of views that this channel gets when I am uploading a video with a Spyderco box in the thumbnail. Man, what is it about this box? You guys just get really excited, huh? All right, so what do we have here? What is GP releasing? Oh boy, we got another Spyderco exclusive from them, another Spyderco Manix exclusive, and I think you guys probably knew it was coming. And that's, of course, the satin finished Rex 45 blade. So they recently released the same thing, but it was the DLC version. I think I actually still have one. I can show you guys. They released the DLC version. Now, I honestly can't remember, or I don't know if this DLC version, and yes, I do have a plan for all of these, I don't know if the DLC version is still available. If you would prefer the DLC version, what I can tell you is, whatever version you go with, GP Knives has priced these things incredibly well. Seriously, go look at how much they want for these. These are US made, and Rex 45 is not a joke. Rex 45 is serious steel. Yeah, it might be that the black one is still available. So... And if it is, and you want one of each, well, then there you go. Unless they have like a one per household rule. But they sent me two. Now, you guys know I've already given away one of the DLC variants. Sorry, I think I've got some sort of debris on that one. You still good? Yeah. So these are all still brand new. So obviously, I have plans for these, right? These are all lightweight models, and all of them feel exactly the same. Nice centering there, nice centering there, and this one, sure, I remember it having good centering. There we go. Yeah, I have plans for these. So, spoiler alert, they will all be given away. The first DLC variant was given away during a live stream. It was one of the, if you don't know, every weekend on live streams, I give knives away because I get a lot of free stuff from manufacturers in order to, review it. And so what I like to do generally is give it away. So what I've been doing here lately is, packing things into multiple mystery pouches like this, where all the pouches look exactly the same. There's usually, 10, sometimes 20 of them. And at the end of the live stream, I'll, draw a name from the comment section. That person will get to choose one or two of the random pouches. And this last round, one of the DLC Rex 45 GP Knives exclusive Manix 2s was in the pouches, and I think literally the first person to draw actually won that knife. So that's how I've been doing my giveaways. It's just fun, adds a mystery element to it. And I think I will do that with at least one more of these. But that still leaves 2. What am I going to do with these other 2? I already have an idea. But all 4 of them will be given away. And this is, because of GP Knives. GP Knives was very kind in sending these in for me to showcase and let you guys know. You guys, if you've watched for a while, you'll know that the Manix 2 is one of my favorite Spydercos of all time. And it's different in that it uses the cage lock, which is actually a ball bearing that gets shoved up behind the tang of the blade. And this operates like an axis lock or a crossbar lock, except that it doesn't lock up the same way, and it does not utilize omega springs, which is a lot more reliable long term. So that's really, really good. And the Manix 2 has been around for a really long time. So if you're new to knives or Spyderco knives and you're questioning that, don't worry, that lock has been around for a very, very long time, and it works very, very well. The ergonomic lines are also extremely good on the Manix 2. They are almost identical to Hinder knives. A lot of Demco knives have, incredibly similar ergonomic lines. The AD 20.5, for example, also has very, very similar ergonomic lines, but lots of knives throughout history, here within the last 20 years especially, share similar ergonomic lines. So the Manix 2 is good for a number of different reasons, but I think really where it shines the most is going to be the cutting geometry. Spyderco's legendary leaf-shaped blade is shaped this way on purpose, believe it or not. It makes for an incredible daily user. So Rex 45 is not a stainless steel, and this is going to come down to preference. If you live in an area where corrosion is not really a problem, then you don't need it to be coated. But why not just buy it coated anyway? Well, here's why. It's because the chalkiness of the DLC coating when you're cutting something like cardboard or something else high friction will actually slow you down a little bit. Not much, but enough where you might notice it. A satin finished blade like this will create zero drag, and honestly, some people just prefer the way the satin looks. So either way, whatever you pick, you're getting a steel that has unbelievable edge retention. I mean, this is, as far as compositions that are available today, like that you can commonly get, Rex 45 is one of the best steels out there in terms of edge retention. Absolutely. So, and actually I can speak on that. I had I tested a Shaman with worse cutting geometry in Rex 45 and cut with it consistently for almost 2 hours in my garage, cutting up I don't know how many cardboard boxes, and it was still shaving sharp at the end of that 2-hour period. I'm sure that it could have gone much longer. But anyways, I've done a lot of talking about a bunch of different things here, but I will make sure that these are linked. If you're watching this on the day of the upload and they're not quite available yet, you'll at least be able to go check out the link and see when. But yeah, they'll be available soon, and you guys will be able to pick them up. Thank you so much to GP Knives for providing these knives for a quick look, and of course, as some awesome giveaway items. So that's going to be pretty much it for today, guys. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.